So for those of you who like it spicy, we're going to make a chili rice for you. Right, a little bit of oil. You've got your onions and peppers. Half a teaspoon of salt. So we just put the gas down and we're gonna cut some green chilies. Chili rice cooks very fast because there's nothing really to cook apart from the small chilies that are in, so it can be very quick. Then you have your Desi Style spice, and then a little bit of chili to give it a bit more spicy flavour. Sort of about half a teaspoon of each. You can really smell that heat now coming. And then you're ready for your rice. A little bit of coriander. You can add a little bit more coriander on top for decoration. And there you have it, your chili rice.